Hey guys, wanted to show you guys how to use the slips feature on Dumb Money Picks. The slips feature is basically where Dumb Money Picks looks at the pool of props that we scanned today, finds the recommended props, and then compile a list of promising slips on either Underdog or PrizePicks. And the logic behind this is that if you find a slip where each leg has positive EV, positive expected value, then the overall slip should have positive expected value. And so I just want to take you through an example to put this in practice. So if you go into the Dumb Money Picks web app, and on the left-hand side, you can see we have a bunch of tools. Just go to the slips tab. And in the slips tab, you can see that we've generated a bunch of two-leggers, three-leggers, and four legs, and even a five-leg. And so pick either Underdog or PrizePicks. In this case, I'm choosing Underdog. You could choose between NBA and MLB right now. I'm choosing MLB in this example. And I just want to show you one where I actually found a positive value, a positive expected value slip. So if we look at this slip, the three-leg with the Shane Baz lower than 4.5 strikeouts, Ryan Wise lower than 4.5 strikeouts, Austin Hedges higher than 0.5 hits. This slip says positive 13.5%, positive 13.5% EV. Right? So if I look at this slip, the idea is that you should be able to compile the same slip, build the same slip on Underdog, right? So let me just clear this out and go to Underdog. So, okay, so now I have a clear slip. Let's look for Bass to build this out. All right, so use lower than 4.5 strikeouts. We actually have a higher than 1 multiplier. So when you see this multiplier, it's important that you type it in here into the DMP web app because it's going to help you calculate in real time whether the slip is truly positive expected value, right? Because depending on the multiplier that you get from Underdog, this slip might actually become negative expected value, right? So let's move on to the next leg. So let's see. Ryan Wise. All right, so Ryan Wise, if I look at lower than 4.5 strikeouts, great news is actually, I think that when it doesn't say any number on the, there's no multiplier, that just means it's a default of 1, right? They're not changing the multiplier. Okay, so let's move to the last leg, Austin Hedges. Okay, Austin Hedges. If we look at higher than 0.5 hits, great news, another one. It's unchanged multiplier, still 1, right? So when you see this, this is basically, hey, we can confirm in the Underdog app that we're getting these multipliers. So if once you upload this, the multiplier back into DMP, you hit calculate. We're going to try to calculate the real on the slip. So right now it's showing me it's actually 16.9% expected value. So this means this is a playable slip, right? And so normally when you go through this kind of process, we help you find slips that has positive expected value and you can play them. Now, to give you an extra layer of confidence, right? We've also built in a way for you to quickly view what are books offering on this leg for this prop. So if you're looking at each leg as a straight bet, the normally thing that you want to do when looking for value is to say, hey, are there any sharp books or any other books that is offering negative odds, right? Show you that, hey, these are high probability prop bets. So we can do it in DMP, use this like stats icon. You can actually click this and it would open up a research panel, right? And into the slips panel, and actually it would have cool insights, even AI insights to tell you whether this is a good prop or not to play. But for the slips purposes, it's really useful if you click on the market tab. You now see all the other books data that we have access to, and you can see that on sharp books like FanDuel, Pinnacle, Circa, we're actually seeing highly shaded odds, negative 180, negative 170, negative 114. And if you were playing a straight bet, you actually would want to play this on a hard rock because now it's offering you a positive expected value. Because the sharp books are offering, negative 170, and you're getting a plus 110 on the hard rock, right? So that's a great value. But in terms of when you're looking at each leg for the slip, this actually, just seeing that the sharp books are offering highly shaded odds gives you confidence that the sharp books think that this is a promising prop, right? Otherwise, they wouldn't be shading the odds like this. And that pretty much is just summarizes the whole process of how to use the slips feature on DMP. So have fun, make sure to do your math on each slip, and see you on the winning side.